HoneyBook just updated their workflows to give you more automation goodness. What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and if you're already familiar, you know I absolutely love HoneyBook. I've been using it for the full 7 years of my business, and it's helped me automate and deal with my clients quicker, easier, and faster. If you're not familiar with HoneyBook, definitely check it out in the link below in the description. You'll get 50% off of your first year. It's definitely worth it. But aside from how great HoneyBook is, they actually just put out a workflows update that gives you more triggers to actually have better workflows. So let's go ahead and talk about 3 new automation triggers you should go ahead and add to your current automation workflows. The first trigger to use is the Invoice Paid in Full. So if you're new to workflows, to get to them, go up to your tools and then workflows. Inside of here, you can see all the workflows I've currently have set up. I'm just gonna make a new one so we can talk about these new features. Also, don't forget, I have a video on workflows that you can check out right up above. Make sure to watch that and get more information on how to actually make your workflows. So what I wanna do here is set up a new email that's gonna be sent out. And this will be sent 0 days after they paid their invoice in full. This will be a great way to set up an email that's thank you for paying your invoice, or you're all paid up now. We just have a couple more days to the wedding. Anything of that sort. Anything that you want to say, hey, you're good, here are our next steps, or hey, you're good, let's meet, something of that sort. So this is going to be a huge trigger that you'll want to use. The next trigger to use is first payment made. This one will be great if you have a booking process and the first payment means that you're booked and solid with your client. Basically, once they've done this, you can have an email that says something like, hey, thanks for booking me, or now we're gonna be working together. It's gonna be super awesome. So again, to add that, I can hit my plus here. Let's say I'll have an email send out that says, awesome, we're gonna work together now. And again, I'll pick the email. I don't have any personal ones yet, but this is what you'll be choosing. And then when it'll be sent out, and first payment made. Again, this will just give you many more automation options, because now instead of having to send out an email myself, I can automate a welcome to working with John Branch 4 Photography email and just have that go out whenever they pay their first payment. So I'm super excited about this trigger. And last but not least is project moved to completed. Basically, after I've edited all the photos, delivered the photos, worked on the album, delivered the album, at this point, everything's gonna be moved over to completed. It would be really awesome to set up an email here that's like a thank you for working together. If there's anything else you need, make sure to look at your gallery, so on and so forth. So rather than it just ending and you're like wiping your hands of the client, you can still have an open relationship with them going forward, and then also set up anniversary emails or anything of that sort. So again, I can hit my plus. We're gonna send an email again, and this time, after moved to complete. And remember, this can be set up days later as well. So maybe 2 to 3 days later after you moved it to complete, you can have your thank you for working together email go out, and then everything will be really awesome. And those are, in my opinion, the best 3 triggers to go ahead and set up in your personal workflows. There are some other triggers they added as well, and I'll go ahead and list them here on the screen, but these 3 are definitely ones you're gonna wanna use in your workflows. It's really gonna improve your workflow and make them more automated for things like booking a client, ending off with a client, or just letting them know that they're all paid up and things are going well. So definitely make sure to check them out. And also don't forget to check out more HoneyBook tutorials up above. I hope this video was helpful. Yet again, I absolutely love HoneyBook. And don't forget to check out that link in the description below for 50% off of your first year of HoneyBook as well. If you like this type of information, make sure to hit that thumbs and subscribe for more about creative entrepreneurship, HoneyBook, and photography. And I will catch you all next time. All right, peace.